Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today we are going to do a really easy, kind of a cheat candy cane tumbler. So let's go ahead and start right in. So I am starting with this 20-ounce sublimation tumbler, and I got this on a really good deal. I usually use the stainless depot tumblers, but I have a few of these left, and I wanted the base of it to be white, and I'm out of white spray paint again, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to go ahead and lightly sand all the way around, and then use my 91% alcohol to clean up any of that dust, so that we can go ahead and get started. I had cut out this little peppermint from the bottom. I got that from FABRICA. And then I just made like triangles that would fit onto that. And we're going to do this kind of like put this on the bottom of the tumbler, and then kind of have the rest of the candy cane go up in a spiral coming off of those. My initial thought initially was going to be just to use this vinyl, but because I couldn't do it to where it would look okay with the vinyl on there, I'm just using this as a template, and I'm going to spray paint that. So now I'm taking the first of my long triangle, and I'm trying to make sure that it's all lined up so that it looks like one cohesive piece before I spray paint, and kind of have it go at an angle, twisting around the tumbler. And then I do cut off any of the excess so that it's not going to lay down and mess up my painting. I'm going to continue to do this with the rest of them. And I'm not looking for absolute perfection when it comes to the twists, but somewhat cohesive enough that you know that it's a candy cane or a mint. So my lines will not be even. Once I get these all on, I do go through and adjust some of those lines just to make it a little more even than they were. And then I will take this out to spray paint using, I think it's a red by Rust-Oleum. Now here's what I wish I had done. I wish I had either I used the spray paint as an adhesive, and this is Sookie by Peach Yellow Glitters, but I think I waited too long, and the glitter just did not stick as well as it normally does. So I wish I had either waited for the paint to completely dry and then used a glitter glue or epoxy adhesive, or had just not used the red glitter at all. And which after it's completely dry and I go to seal it and I brush away any excess glitter, a lot of it fell off anyway. So yeah, I wish I had just skipped this step altogether. But I'm going to remove the vinyl now to expose the white stripes. once this is completely dry and I do have it sealed, I give it 2 coats of epoxy, and I will show you, this is what it looks like. And this is where I'm saying I wish I had just skipped the red because it's somewhat patchy, but I did add Peach Olive Glitter Spray into my epoxy, and I wish I had just only done that. And then I cut out using this metallic vinyl, Sweet But Twisted. I found this on Creative Fabrica, so I will list everything that I use in the description box below, and I'm just trying to find a place to slap this decal on. Once I get to where I'm happy with it, remove the transfer tape, and I will seal this vinyl using the CC DIY Quick Coat. And give it 2 final coats of epoxy. And this is what we're left with. And I actually love it. I think the bottom makes it, but I just absolutely love this. And like I said, I wish I had just stuck with just the bright instead of adding in the Suki, but you'll live and you'll learn. But I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.